Let's make chicken dinner recipe for dogs. This is a #1 recipe on Google, so try this if you want to give your dog the best organic food. John loves this meal, so he's really excited for me to make it. Start by adding 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil to a large skillet and put it over medium heat. Feel free to give your dog a little lick of coconut oil as they help you, as it has great benefits for dogs. Add in about 12 to 16 ounces of ground chicken and cook for about 10 minutes or until done. Remove from the heat and set aside. Let your dog get a little taste as they help you. Next, peel the sweet potato. While sweet potato skin is beneficial for humans, it's difficult on your dog's stomach, so don't allow them to eat the skin. Slice the potato into 1/4-inch thick slices and place in a medium pot and fill with water. Boil for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are soft when poked with a fork. While the potatoes are boiling, chop the bell pepper and carrots. When the potatoes are almost done, drop in the veggies so it can steam for a few minutes. Remove the potatoes and veggies and chop into small pieces. Chop them smaller if you have a smaller dog. You can use any color bell pepper, but the red has the most nutrients because it's been on the vine for the longest. It's also the sweetest, so it's John's favorite, and we only give him red bell pepper. Add in ground chicken, sweet potatoes, and veggies to your dog's bowl. If you don't know how much homemade food to feed your dog, I'm linking my post that has an easy calculator in the description, so check it out. John loves this homemade chicken dinner recipe for dogs, and we know your pup will love it too.